A&E had a program called Witchcraft in America, and I'm not sure how long ago that was. Some main issues that a person thinks about with that program is that some resurrect paths and others continue them. Some work with nature and others treat the temporal as gods and goddesses. And that includes the so-called atheistic Satanists, because some of them worship the herbs and other items used in magic. They say, oh, we don't believe in gods like these pagans and heathens, using the same hate speech as Christians. They, but they're basically praying to their objects. It's one thing to make the point and say, oh, that it has meaning and it evokes something of myself, but to say that the herb is doing something other than just burning or having a smell or something like this is, you know, some want power and others are becoming. Accusation might produce witchcraft, either as a defensive mechanism or that people hear it's out there, it has power over people, etc., and they end up being convinced. Let's not assume that there was misunderstanding when the Christian imperative was to end all other faiths, even by force. Acts 19 mentions the book burning parties, and that can be applied to the media of non-Christians and includes secular media too. I'm not saying that that's what should be done. I'm just saying that's, it's a what you could call a valid expression of Christianity. Neo-pagan and heathen need to separate from the Christian idea of witchcraft religions are responding to Christianity if they want to be considered as separate from Satanism. It is often that traditional paths fail to adapt and spread to survive if too ethnic. Atheistic Satanism does operate energy, but not to the degree of the theistic witches. When it is just New Agers, the energy and spirit of it is softened in its potential. And certainly we can apply principles in ethnic ways